Okay, this is the white ink tank for white ink. Inside have a white ink shaking and circulation system. So we must pay attention to the ink volume of the white ink every day before print. The white ink must no less than 2/3 of the total volume. So if the white ink is too less, for example, we go back this way, we can see there are two connections for the white ink, up and down. If the ink volume less than the first ink connector, we must close off the white ink shaking system. That means the label must no less than this volume. If less than this volume, we must close off the white ink shaking system. This one we must close off, because if we not close off the white ink system, the white ink shaking system, then the bottle will be shaking and will cause the bubbles to the white ink bottle to cause the white ink lack of ink. So again, please pay attention to that. If the white ink too less, we must close off, and this we must keep it working by this degree to this 1/4 of the total power doing printing. So if we close the white ink circulation, the white ink will not working. It will no white ink coming out during printing. So please pay attention to that. 12 on to 1/3 of the 1/1 of the total volume to keep print white ink. And this one, the shaking system, first be sure you have enough white ink on the bottle. Then we need to open it. Let the shaking for 3 to 5 minutes every day. After that, then we close off. We don't need to shaking for all the time. So this is the function for white ink shaking and white ink circulation system. And also for circulation, as we taught before, if we are the first time to load ink to white ink tank, we must close it. Then we load ink by injection to the white ink damper. After we load all the ink to the full white ink damper, then we open the circulation for working. So this is the correct procedure. Thank you.